Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So after posting last year back in June that Google Sheets is getting faster on Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, yesterday on the 3rd of February, Google has announced another speed boost and speed improvement for Google Sheets. So if you are tied into the Google ecosystem and are using Google Sheets, then just to put it out there and let you guys know. Now, Google has said from the announcement that last year it announced that it had doubled the calculation speed in Google Sheets, which they say improves the speed of actions like formulas, pivot tables, conditional formatting, and more regardless of your file size. And then yesterday, as mentioned, Google has announced additional improvements available for everyday actions in Sheets. And there are three main improvements. The first is pasting data is now up to 50% faster when you're pasting from one spreadsheet to another. The second is filter conditions can now be set up to 50% faster than before. And spreadsheets, the third one being spreadsheets now load existing data up to 30% faster. So quite a bit of a speed improvement with this latest update to Google Sheets. That's why I'm just letting you guys know if you are using Google Sheets. Now, why this all matters according to Google, they give us three examples. The first being a data analyst can paste small or large quantities of data from an existing spreadsheet to a new one in a quicker manner. The second example is a campaign manager can add filtering conditions to better understand the performance of a campaign at a certain time faster. And the third example, why it matters, is a small business owner can quickly see their data load. So if you find yourself in any of those categories, as I would say, this is a step in the right direction. And the good news, once again, is that the speed improvement to Google Sheets is also available for personal Google account users over and above being available to Google Workspace customers and Workspace individual subscribers. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.